Hello dear students and GPAT aspirants. This is Srinivas. I'm pleased to welcome you all onto this wonderful platform of Hyderabad Academy. We are proud to announce that we have been serving in the field of pharmacy since 2004 by providing coaching for various aptitude-based and competitive examination in pharmacy such as GPAT, NIPER, PGCET, examination for polytechnic lectures, and examination for drug inspectors respectively. Though my earlier contributions in this academy were minor, this is the first time I am extending my full-fledged contributions in this academy. Here, I shall be dealing with subjects like inorganic chemistry and microbiology. Students, it is really unfortunate to realize that most of you have been trying to seek a practice called mugging up instead of learning and understanding. Mugging up in Telugu is considered as batti pattadamu or kantastham cheyadamu, which is highly injurious to the persons or aspirants who are preparing for various competitive examinations. Keeping that in view, I wish to emphasize briefly over the importance of learning and understanding concepts. See, we, the human beings, especially, have two major qualities. One is inherent quality, it is also known as inborn quality, and the other is acquired quality. The name itself suggests acquired. It has to be acquired through a process called learning and understanding. Yes, my dear friends, believe me. See, I will just clarify this with the help of by quoting a simple layman kind of example. Assume that I asked a student X to bring this pen to me, and you also assume that that student doesn't know anything about application of this pen. I mean to say that student doesn't know that this pen is used for writing purpose. If I instruct the same student n number of times, I am sure that he will definitely try to perform the given task without any defect, in a perfect manner. However, if one day I instruct the same student in slightly indirect way by saying like, bring me something for writing purpose, I am sure that he will definitely fail to perform that task in contrast to the previous situation. Yes, believe me, my dear students, it's a fact, of course. See, most of the noble laureates, most of the eminent people, most of the eminent persons, they have a habit of following three basic tips, three basic methods. One is thinking, the next is learning, and the final one is understanding. Most of the discoveries, most of the greatest inventions by those people were possible only because of their strict adaptation to these three techniques, that is thinking, learning and understanding. Thinking always leads to learning. Learning always leads to understanding. Yes, my dear friends, I am just stressing out this again and again. See, you might have heard about a word called knowing in English, which we generally use synonymously, interchangeably with another word called understanding. But there is a fine hairline difference between the words knowing and understanding, my dear friends. If you know something, it doesn't mean that you understand that thing. Actually, Knowing is nothing but realizing a idea. Knowing is nothing but realizing a realizing a idea, whereas understanding is realizing an idea followed by analyzing the idea. So again I am repeating, my dear friends, knowing is realizing an idea, whereas understanding is realizing and analyzing an idea. I am confident and I strongly believe that there is nothing much difference between genius and an average person. Yes, believe me once again, there is nothing much difference between a genius and average person. The only distinguishing feature between these two categories is the genius people's adaptation to practice called learning and understanding. Yes, here in this academy, our prime motto is to drive you people, is to inculcate the habit of learning and understanding in each and every one of the student with the help of mnemonics and examples which are related to certain fictitious instances and real life instances as well. So friends, I am once again concluding this message by once again stressing on the importance of learning and understanding. Please try to inculcate the habit of learning and understanding for getting success, for becoming success in especially competitive examinations. This mugging up practice doesn't serve any purpose. You people are blindly relying on this mugging up practice just for the sake of passing out in your both university based examinations and competitive examinations as well. But it's a strict suggestion to you people from our side to please try to avoid the practice of mugging up and try to rely on the practice of learning and understanding. Hope this content will be useful for you for your preparation, and we extremely are awaiting to meet you soon on this platform. Stay safe, stay home, keep learning. Don't miss to learn, don't miss to understand. It's a well-known fact that we have to keep learning throughout our life. That only brings a fruitful success. So thank you, my dear friends. Thank you one and all for your kind attention. Thank you.